Scroll 10. In everyday situations, one should develop the faculty of attention. 2. Concentration itself is a narrowing of the field of attention. 3. The entire attention is thrown into whatever is being done. 4. The individual becomes lost in the job at hand. 5. One must concentrate on the work and rigorously shut out all other thoughts. 6. No work can be done successfully without calmness and concentration. 7. In this way, the mind becomes one-pointed. 8. Failure is a stranger to work done with perfect attention. 9. When one sits for meditation, there should be no thought of job-related work. I'll end at 10. Therefore, when doing job-related work, household chores never enter the mind.